morning, everybody. It is disembarkation day. We are already in Galveston. We're docking right now. Should be off the ship here in a couple hours, but unfortunately reality has set back in and we are back home.
What do you want for dinner tonight?
See, that's always that question. Always that question. And the first answer is, well, I don't know. Yep, you know you're back to reality when you hear that question. All right, so hopefully this disembarkation goes fairly smoothly. The way they have us doing it is we're supposed to stay in our cabins, or you can stay in your cabins. And for us, that's going to be easiest until 8 o'clock. You watch Channel 2 on the TV, and they let you know when it's time to disembark. Now, since we're on Deck 3 and we disembark on Deck 4, it doesn't really make sense for us to go anywhere else, take our luggage, and drag anything until it's actual time to disembark. There's already people taking their stuff, heading for the elevators, crowding up the areas. You know how they do. They're already doing it, and we haven't even docked yet. We're still in the docking process, which means customs still has to come on board. We still have to get cleared. So we're probably looking another 45 minutes to an hour probably before we can even start getting off the ship. But hopefully that'll go smoothly. We'll be off and we'll be headed home. So time to disembark. Time to say goodbye to the room. Bye.
Bye-bye.
You ready to go home?
Yes.
You're going home right now?
Yes. See my puppies.
Go home, see your puppies?
Yes.
And do what else?
Sit in my chair.
And sit in your chair.
I have to work tomorrow.
That's true. All right, so we are officially off the ship. We are headed home. It has been a good cruise. Overall, it's been a good cruise. More positive, definitely way more positive than negative. A lot of brand new experiences. I think we had a really good time. Thank everybody who joined us this week on Grandeur of the Seas. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did enjoy these videos this week, do me a favor and give them a thumbs up. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It is free to do so, helps our channel grow, and of course let you know anytime we're putting out new cruise videos. Hope everyone has a really great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas next time.